Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a domain to Wix. You have two primary options: connecting a domain you already own or purchasing a brand new one directly through Wix. We'll walk through both methods step by step, ensuring your website gets its professional address. We'll also cover what happens after you initiate the connection, including the crucial process of domain propagation, which typically takes up to 48 hours for global updates to complete. If you already own a domain, connecting it to Wix is straightforward. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Domains section. Choose the option to connect a domain you already own. Wix will then guide you to update your domain's name servers with your current registrar. You'll replace your existing name servers with the two unique Wix name servers provided, ensuring your domain points correctly to your new site. For those needing a new web address, purchasing a domain directly through Wix is a convenient option. Head to the Domains section in your Wix account and select Get a New Domain. You can search for available names and choose from various extensions. Once you find the perfect domain, select your desired registration period, which can range from 1 to 10 years, and complete the purchase. Many premium Wix plans include a free domain voucher for the first year. After connecting or purchasing your domain, an essential process called domain propagation begins. This is when your domain's new DNS records are updated across servers worldwide. While it typically takes up to 48 hours, some changes may appear sooner. During this time, your site might not be fully accessible everywhere. Rest assured, Wix automatically generates and installs an SSL certificate for your site once propagation is complete, ensuring a secure connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.